Ever wonder what really goes on behind the scenes of running a small business? Come along with me for a day in the life of a small business owner. Our morning routine usually starts with me making coffee and getting the kids ready for school. My favorite coffee is the Bustelo, and then I just add some tasty half and half, and we are ready to roll. Since my kids are all still sleeping, that gives me enough time to enjoy my coffee and do my morning devotion. As the kids get ready to go to school, I go ahead and I start answering DMs and all our notifications, responding to email, kind of just sit down and plan our day and see what orders need to get done. Now it is time to go and drop off my son to school, and it is really close to the house, so we go ahead, we grab our stuff, and we head to school. It is truly a blessing to be able to come and drive my son to school in the morning and pick him up in the evening, and it's just a really sweet time for us we like to chat, and we do a little prayer right before I drop him off, and it's just a really sweet time that having a small business really gives me the opportunity to do. My older kids all ride the bus, so the only one that I drive to school is my little one, and there he goes with his Sonic backpack, happy to go to school every single day. What a sweet kid. And now it's time for me to go home and get to work. So as soon as we got home, we got started on the orders that we left on the table pending yesterday, and it was just a couple of pumpkins that needed sealing and a couple extra touches. We got to packing and we went off to the post office to drop these off. I took a little break, got home and made myself a delicious chai, and then we got right back to work. I had some banner orders that I had to complete, so we got started on that, and doing banners really only takes me about an hour or two. So we did that, and then it was going to be time for dinner. So here I am making a super fun and cute first birthday banner for a little baby girl who loves pink, and girls just want to be one. This is one of my absolute favorite banners because obviously it has pink and it has bows, and it's so girly and just so adorable. So a little bit about my small business. I make wood signs, home decor, and I recently started making these super fun banners that have been an absolute hit and a blast to make. I cannot tell you how many themes and styles that I've been able to make. It has been such a joy, and it really does fill my heart. Alright, we're officially done with this banner. Now we're going to do a quick short for social media and the reveal of this banner. This is going to be a local pickup, so all we had to do is just put it on our porch and they were going to come and pick it up. Now it is time for dinner. We had some delicious quesadillas with some handmade tortillas, and they were so delicious, you guys. Now we have a couple errands to run, and after that we played with the kids outside for a little bit, and the evening was so joyful, so we just enjoyed it outdoors for a little while. And although our day is super busy usually, we cannot skip a trip to Goodwill, so we went to our local Goodwill to see what goodies we could find. We were able to score a couple of good finds. We are going to get to crafting, and we're going to make trash to treasures. So after our super fun trip to Goodwill, it was time to get home and get ready because we still had to go to the gym. So me and my husband always like to go to the gym either in the morning or in the evening. Today we went in the evening, but we really love to make time to take care of ourselves and to do some exercise. After a super cool and fun workout, it's time to head on home and we can just finally relax. I'm gonna enjoy another cup of coffee, and then I'm gonna do my nighttime devotional, and then we're gonna go off to bed and start again the next day. Thank you for joining me. If you like this kind of content, make sure that you leave that in the comment. See you later. And good night.